Welcome to our tutorial on how to call Israel for free. In this tutorial, we will explore several ways to make free calls to Israel. One easy way to make free calls to Israel is by using VoIP apps like WhatsApp, Viber, or Skype. These apps allow you to make voice. Another way to make free calls to Israel is by using Wi-Fi calling. If you have a smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection, you can call any number. Google Voice is another great option for making free calls to. With Google Voice, you can make free calls an internet connection. If you don't have access to a Wi-Fi connection or you prefer not to use your cellular plan minutes, you can use a calling card to make free. While there are many ways to make free calls to Israel, it's important to note that there may be some limitations. For example, that concludes our tutorial on how to call Israel for free, whether you're calling for personal or business reasons. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.